Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin rose 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The euro dropped 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Stellantis and Samsung will build a $2.5 billion battery plant in Indiana as the parent group of Chrysler and Fiat accelerates its electric vehicles shift in the US after lagging behind its peers. British Finance Minister Rishi Sunak will set out more details of the government's response to growing cost of living pressures facing households, a spokesperson for his department said. The Silicon Valley firm announced a new $4.5 billion fund for backing crypto and blockchain companies. Partners liken the long-term opportunity in crypto to the next major computing cycle after PCs in the 1980s, the internet in the 1990s, and mobile computing in the early 2000s.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US gross domestic product annualized will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US gross domestic product index at 12:30 GMT. Italy's business confidence at 0800 hours GMT. Italy's consumer confidence will be released at 0800 GMT. Japan's Tokyo Consumer Price Index at 23:30 GMT. Japan's Tokyo CPI at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.